Hey everybody, this is a lesson on can and can't. This comes from Future Unit 8, Lesson 2, and this is about listening and speaking. We're going to focus a lot on pronunciation today. Let's start with a story. One summer, Liz needed to find a new job. She went to the unemployment office for help. She knew some basics with computers, so she told them she wanted a job as a secretary. "How fast can you type?" the man asked. "I don't know," she answered. "Maybe I can type 20 words per minute," she said. "Or maybe I can type 40 words per minute. Or maybe I can type 60 words per minute. I never timed my typing before," she told him. "It's no problem," said the man. "We will give you a test, and then we will know for sure how fast you can type." Liz said okay, and she took the test. What was the result? The truth is, Liz can type 84 words per minute. She was very happy when she got that news. "Wow, you will be a great secretary," said the man. "I don't know," she said. "I can type fast, but I'm shy. I think I can't answer the phones." So this lesson has two parts. First, we're going to talk about can and can't in a sentence, and then the second part we'll talk about can and can't when they sort of come by themselves. But let's start right now, can and can't in the middle of a sentence. So the positive form can in a sentence. When this word is in the middle of a sentence, the pronunciation sounds like can. You hear the C and you hear the N, but you don't really hear the A in the middle of the word. For example, maybe I can type 20 words per minute. You can hear in that phrase, can type. Maybe I can type, it sounds like can. Or maybe I can type 40 words per minute. Maybe I can type 65 words per minute. So that word can gets very, very short. And the negative form can't in a sentence, when this word is in the middle of a sentence, the pronunciation sounds like can't. The T sound at the end of the word is very quiet. So I can't type 100 words per minute. I can't answer the phones. I can't speak Vietnamese. In all of these sentences, you hear the word can't. You can hear the complete vowel with the C-A-N, and you hear a little T sound at the end of the word, but it's pretty quiet. Can't. Can't type. Can't answer. Can't speak Vietnamese. So if you want to hear the difference between can and can't, don't listen for the letter T. Listen to the length of the word. This is what I mean. The positive can is fast, like can, and the negative can't is slow, like can't. So this is can, can't, can, can't, can, can't. The T is actually really hard to hear, but the difference between the vowels, the A sound is very different between those two words. Okay, I want to do a little bit of practice. In order to do this, you need a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper. I'm going to read some sentences, and I will read each sentence 3 times. And I want you to write the sentence exactly as you hear it. You can write these anywhere. You're going to check them yourself. And let's just do a little listening practice. The first sentence is, I can speak Spanish. I can speak Spanish. I can speak Spanish. Write that sentence down. And if you need to pause, you can pause the video until you finish writing. Done with number 1? Here, check your answer. Is this what you have? I can speak Spanish. Number 2, I can speak Arabic. I can speak Arabic. I can speak Arabic. Pause the video and finish writing. All done? I can speak Arabic. I hope you have this written in your notebook. Number 3, I can speak Persian. I can speak Persian. I can speak Persian. Persian is the language they speak in Iran and Afghanistan. I can speak Persian. Pause the video if you need it. Okay, here's the answer. I can speak Persian. Number 4, I can't speak Japanese. I can't speak Japanese. I can't speak Japanese. And pause that video if you need time to write. Ready for the answer? I can't speak Japanese. And number 5, I can't speak Chinese. I can't speak Chinese. I can't speak Chinese. Pause the video if you need more time. And the answer is, I can't speak Chinese. So I hope those examples helped you hear the difference between can and can't. This is, I can speak Spanish. I can speak Arabic. I can speak Persian. I can't speak Japanese. And I can't speak Chinese. So those sentences and that lesson about the difference between these two words it is only for the situation where can is in the middle of a sentence. Now let's talk about a different situation. Can and can't as short answers. Giving a short answer to a question. When you make a short answer, the words can and can't have emphasis. Because of that emphasis, we say them slowly with a complete vowel. In this situation, the main difference between positive and negative is the quiet sound of T at the end of can't. For example, can you lift 30 pounds? Yes, I can. And in this situation where you see can is not in the middle of the sentence, can is at the end of this sentence and is emphasized. So we have to say the complete word with the C, the A, and the N. Yes, I can. If you say, yes, I can in this sentence, that's not correct. This is not the right situation for that. Can you lift 30 pounds? Yes, I can. Can you lift 50 pounds? No, I can't. And so you'll hear for the second answer, no, I can't. There's a little t sound at the end of that word. Here's another example. Can you speak Dari? Yes, I can. Can you speak Pashto? No, I can't. Can you clean kitchen equipment? Yes, I can. Can you cook? No, I can't. So in this situation, the pronunciation of the C-A-N here is the same as the pronunciation of the C-A-N here. They're both the same sound, both the same length. The only difference is this has the letter T at the end. I want to look at a few practice exercises from the textbook. You'll see these in a minute. How do you pronounce the answers to these questions? This is the example of Nadia, and the question is, can Nadia lift heavy boxes? This is the action of lift right here. So would you say yes or no? And I say, no, she can't. Can Nadia type? This action of type right here, and I say yes for this one. So I say, yes, she can. Now, both of these words, can't and can, are both pronounced with the full vowel of a. Can't, can. This is the example of Mike. Can Mike drive a forklift? Yes, he can. Can he fix a leak? Poor Mike. No, he can't. That's a kind of a similar example. These two words sound almost the same, so definitely pay attention to yes and no in those sentences. Then Jerome and Lisa. Can Jerome and Lisa install hardware on computers? Yes, they can. Can they use a cash register? No, they can't. So those are a few examples of can and can't in short answers. You can see that they both get their full pronunciation when they're at the end of the sentence like that. Just for review, you have to be careful with your pronunciation of these words. Can sometimes is pronounced as kun, and sometimes is pronounced in that full form of can. This is kun and can. And they're both spelled like this. It just depends on the situation if you say a fast one or a slow one. And then for this negative form, it's always the same. It sounds like can't, can't. That's it for this lesson. You can continue to the exercises in the book, and I'll see you in the next lesson.